Day 5 TV.
There they go, Colossus. Day 5, baby. There they go, there they go, there they go, hey. There they go, there they go, there they go, hey. There they go, there they go, there they go, hey. There they go, there they go, there they go. I got my money on my mind, got my mind on a million, got my finger on the 9, and my eyes on the women line. There they go, with them good, there they go, hey. There they go, with them good, there they go. See them niggas popping bottles, blowing chronic in the club. All the niggas show respect and all the women showing love line. There they go, where they at? There they go, yeah. There they go, where they at? I got the golf boy tips, can't see me in the ride. Hey, the blockers on my eyes, hat tilted to the side. Had a lap looking right, white walls with the bows. Got a ball on these hoes.
That's a special way I fold my flag. And I push your head if it's about that cash. Give me a dickie, I don't need an outfit. A 305 fitting just to match my kicks. Cause bitch, I'm live.
Yeah, and I can't even lie. You can tell by my red ass eyes that I'm high.
Yes, sir, you already know what time it is. It's your boy Colossus. I got my motherfucking nigga Focus in the building. We out here at the Hip Hop Grub Spot. Y'all know what time it is. Day 5 TV. Say something for the folks right quick, my nigga.
Yo, you know it's Focus, you know I always hold it down with my nigga Colossus, Future King of Florida, my dog Chino. We out here, Fury, this how we do it, baby. Y'all niggas don't like it, y'all already know what you can do. I'm Focus, ATP, see me on the street, nigga. You got money, come holler at me. I got you, we out.
So what's up, the Colossus, man? You know that's my dog #1. I seen him grinding from day one, from out the crib, and I love motherfuckers that grind, cause that shit pay off. This one bread with grind halls, you know we flow right a family, you know we just doing our thing, staying in the dirt, making sure everything we do is work, you feel me? We trying to take it to another level, past that rap. We trying to go to that Madonna level, you feel me? You want that international feeling. And I want to say what's up to Miami, cause it's about to get cracking, man. That's on the real, one bread, boy, that's from the heart, feel me?
And that's real nigga shit. We out here at the Hip Hop Grub Spot right now, Miami Gardens. Your dog Colossus, the boy Bread. I got all them Day 5 boys in the building.
My name Jay Jizzle for Shizzle, my nizzle. I represent the 305 my nigga, and believe that. Hey, real talk, true story, nigga. That's the name of the motherfucking album, and when it drop, nigga, ain't nothing hotter. Nigga, respect the motherfucking author. I ain't the father. God is the father. Respect him before you respect me. But respect yourself and be a G.
Yo, what up? This your boy Lil Bass, son of Miami. We at the Hip Hop Grub Spot, and you watching Day 5 TV. Yeah.
This man, it's your boy AJ, the R&B General, Mr. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You know we live on Day 5 TV. Check it out.
I got the man Big Chuck out here, Po Boy ENT. Say something for the folks for Day 5 TV, homie.
You already know what it is. Day 5 all day. Po Boy 305, kicking it with my man Colossus. We out here at the Hip Hop Grub Spot. It's going down. It's big. Listen, man, this is what we do. You already know what it is. We the best. Yeah.
And you heard it first from the man Big Chuck. Day 5 TV, Miami Gardens. We out here.
Like y'all know, Colossus in stores right there, man. Y'all go and cop that. Flow Rider coming March 18th. Rick Ross March 11th. Get ready for Street Medicine. David Lynn, the whole Po Boy, man. We doing it real big in the Ocho. You feel me?
It's official. Day 5 TV, Po Boy ENT, 305. That's how we put it down. You already know. Chill. Your boy Colossus. I got Lil Miami in the building. Say something for the folks right quick.
What is that? This your girl Lil M.I.A. You better watch out for this face, cause this face I'm coming at you like a hot tamale. Like I'm real. Like this is real. Look at me. This is real. That's all I got to say.
That's all she got to say. It's 100% real. Day 5 TV, Dade County, Lil Miami, Colossus. We in the motherfucking building. You got some shout outs you want to get on? Get your shout outs on before you get out of here.
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Hater Proof Production. That's my producer. That's my producer label. We gonna be out soon, so wait around for me. Your girl about to blow up. Like seriously, I'm about to blow up for the 08. You dig?
Y'all know what time it is. It's your boy Colossus. We out here at Day 5 TV. I got an adolescence in the building. Man, y'all go ahead and say something for the folks, man. Introduce yourselves to Day 5 TV. Say something for the folks, you feel me?
Yeah, this your boy Trey Jill, 1/4 of the adolescent, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this your boy J Fifth, 1/4 the adolescent. We out here chilling at Hip Hop Grub, you feel me?
Yeah, this your boy C Smooth, so smooth, 1/4 for the adolescents. You know we doing our thing out here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this your boy Y'all Dirty, 1/4 for adolescents. Y'all already know.
You know what I'm saying? We out here doing our thing, my nigga. This T.O.D., Nosy Boy Capone, AJ, Cash City, you feel me? 183rd, we on Front Street, cross the street from the Fleet. We've been doing this since 96, we live, we for the blow. Miami is gonna be a movement, it's for the takeover, you feel me? We here.
And yeah, you can catch our MySpace, myspace.com/adolescents, the number 4, life. We got a single coming out called Friends with Benefits. And Turn Me On. Look out for that, you know what I'm saying? Featuring AJ and Princess Asia from Bottom of the Map, you know, yeah.
Jungle Mob Stability, the adolescents, man. Y'all going to cop that Friends with Benefits. It's going down this year, 2008. Turn Me On. AJ on the squad. He over there, he busy right now. He about to get on the stage in a minute. Adolescents, we finna get up there and do our thing. A-Game, y'all go cop the clothing. We got all that. Whatever you need. I'm Nosy Boy in his own and poppin'. Hey, we at the grub spot, hip hop grub spot, man. One time for Ross and the Po Boy niggas and shit, man. Doing their thing, man. Black Flag Gangster, man, you know. Hey, it's your boy Colossus. I got that nigga Chaos in the building. Say something for the folks. You out here on Day 5 TV, my nigga. Say something for the folks.
You already know, man, it ain't no better place than Dade County, man. If it is, I ain't found it yet. You already know, man, Grind Mode doing it real, real big. Check us out on myspace.com/Grind Mode. Appreciate all the love and the support for everybody that's been pushing the I'm So High, man. How you doing, nigga?
Man, I'm doing good, my nigga. I just want to congratulate y'all on the success, my nigga. I'm feeling the record. It got a nigga vibing when I'm in the club, so you know I'm loving it, my nigga.
Yeah, and it's a baby maker, you know something you can get drunk to, high to, and ride real high to on the rails, and then, you know, probably smash in the back seat or something, you know what I mean?
That's what it is. I ain't gonna hold you up too much, man. The boy Chaos, Grind Mode, I'm So High. Y'all call the motherfucking radio stations and request that. Get the shout out song so you can get out of here, please.
Man, I ain't got no shout outs, man. Keep God first and everything you do, man, most definitely, because we don't do nothing without him, man. Big shouts out to everybody with the Larry Dog movement, man. Pushing this and keeping this going, dog, because it's an era now, and we about to take over this shit. It's been said before, but niggas ain't utilized that whole line that I just said. We didn't click up the way we should have. But now it's time. Rick Ross doing his thing. We had to come out here, show love, Under Surveillance, Colossus. Everybody from the 305, 954, 561, wherever, man. Keep your head.
What's up, man? It's Rich Kid, the governor, man. You dig? This how I do it. We at the hip hop grub spot in the hood. The new hip hop grub spot. Rick Ross, Frank Gore. Big up, you dig?
I heard about the motherfucking new single you got with CP Hollywood. I heard that shit is blazing shit right now, so go ahead and let them know about that shit. Let them know about the hip hop grub spot and everything we got going on down here in Miami, man. Go ahead and say something for the folks.
Yeah, my new single with CP Hollywood is called I Shine. We got Rick Ross on the remix. We got Lil Boosie on the remix. It's crazy. It's a big look for Miami, you dig?
Hey, we out here right now at the hip hop grub spot. It's your dog Colossus. I got Lil Brianna in the building. Go ahead and say something for the folks, man.
You already know it's your girl, Lil Brianna, holding it down. I am the youth ambassador for the hip hop grub spot, and it's just something they doing that's real major for the hood, you know, encouraging youth entrepreneurship, and I really appreciate what they doing. The food is fantastic. I mean, it's incredible. So anytime you're in South Florida, you know, Miami, you gotta make sure you come here and check out the hip hop grub spot. Cause I mean, it's crazy.
That's what it is. It's official. Like I said, it's your dog Colossus, Day 5 TV, Lil Brianna in the motherfucking building. Go ahead and get the shout out song before we get out of here, sweetie. It's kind of hectic right now, so say something for the folks before we get out of here, baby.
Yeah, it's your girl Lil Brianna. Hit me up on MySpace, The Real Lil Brianna. It's the hip hop grub spot. It's crazy. One time for the whole Po Boy family. Briscoe, Flo Rida, Rick Ross, Day 5 TV. And it's crazy. It's your girl Lil Brianna. And I'm out. Yeah.
You know what time it is. It's your boy Colossus. I got my motherfucking nigga Sam Sneak in the building. Say something for the folks, man. Let them know where we at, cuz.
What's happening? For those who don't know, Colossus, the future king of Florida. Y'all log on to DadeFire.com. My dude, DJ Sam Sneak, live full effect. Jam Squad Records, we keep it crunk, we keep it live, we do it. We break records for real. Shout out all my DJs that's out there supporting all the local artists is doing the damn thing. We doing it like that, you feel me? Shout out DJ BJ, DJ Teflon, Papo, Lucky C, all them Jam Squad. You know how we do, we the best, you feel me? Nasty, I see you, baby.
That's what it is. Day 5 TV, your dog Colossus, the boy Sam Sneak. We out here at the hip hop grub spot. We put it down Miami Gardens. Get the motherfucking sign on camera, folks. That's how it's going down, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Real niggas doing real motherfucking things.
Yeah, this your boy Yak, baby. The other half of Under Surveillance. You already know we putting it down 305 style. I'm with my nigga Colossus. You know how we do it, goddammit. 305 till I die. I got my phone on deck. Got my show on. Hey, call 99 Jam, Power 96. All the underground stations. This thing finna be a movie, you know what I'm saying? Big ups to everybody who support the record. But till I die, it's 305 Dade County, city bound, you know what I'm saying? Under Surveillance. We is in the building and we gonna be here, nigga. You already know. Colossus, I got you anytime, nigga.
All day, man. This whole team love right here. You know what I'm saying? We fuck with the real niggas out of Dade County. Shout out to Busta Free and Yak. Shout out to the boy CP Hollywood, your dog Colossus, Dade 5 TV. You got any shout outs you want to say for the folks before you go?
Shout outs to everybody else if I forgot about you. You know what I'm saying? It's much love. You already know, nigga.